Every day, we have many tasks to carry out in email marketing. The demand for work and good ideas is huge, and we are not always inspired nor full of good ideas. Also, creating some materials can be a repetitive and exhausting process. So, how to make it easier? Hi, how are you? My name is Rodrigo Gonçalves. I am an email marketing specialist and CFO at SafetyMails, one of the largest email address validation verification platforms in the world. And in this video, I will introduce you to some online services that will help you in your email marketing activities. Really Good Emails. The Really Good Emails website is an online curator with more than 8,000 email templates organized by categories and companies. These emails are real, that is, they were or are part of email marketing campaigns from different companies and serve as an excellent design reference to bring insights into your creative work, especially when we are staring at a white screen. There are email templates for welcomes, recommendations, activation, discounts, and more. As it has a collaborative feature, the site also allows you to upload your own email template, helping the email marketing community around the world. EasyGift.com. This powerful and practical online tool allows you to create, edit, and optimize animated GIFs for free. Among the numerous features available, EasyGIF lets you create a GIF from a sequence of images, create a GIF from a video, edit and optimize a GIF you created yourself, edit or optimize a GIF you found on the internet, add image and text layers over GIF. The tool also lets you combine animated GIFs, reduce the file size, its dimensions, or split a GIF into several parts. For your email marketing to become more attractive and interactive, it's a complete solution. Blacklistalert.org. Before conducting your email marketing campaigns, it's good to check if everything is okay, right? On the Blacklist Alert website, you can perform a complete check of domain or IP addresses over 30 blacklisting services. It is easy to understand when Blacklist Alert identifies that you are on a blacklist. From there, all you have to do is access the blacklist's website and proceed with the necessary steps to the list. The service is great help to avoid future blacklisting services that may be listing your domain or IP. You often don't know you're in trouble, so enjoy this tip. BeFree.io. The online platform for creating email templates is completely free. It allows users to create emails from pre-built templates or create them from scratch according to whatever you want, using block structures in a drag-and-drop editor. This application, however, does not allow the creation of very complex layouts. But for those who don't know coding and need to build responsive emails quickly, it is an excellent tool. BeFree allows you to export the layout created with the code and images so that you can use it in your own email marketing tool. If you want access to more templates or features, BeFree allows you to upgrade from the free plan to paid plans. TinyPNG. One of the best practices for email marketing is to use the lightest images, avoiding loading difficulties when the message is opened by the recipients. The TinyPNG website offers a file compression service that reduces the weight of PNG and JPG files. The effect is barely noticeable and makes a big difference in load time performance of emails. In addition to giving email marketing a much lighter data transmission footprint, the service is also used to optimize the loading time of web pages, which also helps a lot in SEO techniques. SafetyMails, email verification. SafetyMails is an email validation verification platform which aims to protect email marketing from blocking and damage of reputation caused by invalid or non-existent email addresses, in addition to preventing other types of harmful emails from being part of your email list, such as disposable emails and spam traps. Our service lets you check emails from an email list simply by uploading your file. It is also possible to verify emails in real time when registering new subscribers on a landing page or various registration forms through an API. And you, what other useful email marketing services and tools do you know about and would like to share with us? Leave your suggestion here in the video's comments. Maybe we will make a new video on this topic with your suggestions. That's it for today. Take the opportunity to watch the other videos on our channel. See you soon. Bye. Thank you.